My country people, and welcome back to my channel today. And happy new month to everybody. May this new month bring us many more years and many more happiness for our lives. So onto Shaun, I get chance to post for some time now because I dey prepare for my exams for my master's degree wey be say I dey do. So make una bear with me, and we will continue with this big brother wey be say we dey do. So unto Shaun and Wanni matter, the two of them don do something wey be say don cause mixed reactions for their fan bases, and also Handi don come out come openly accuse Ben of sexually harassing her, and Nigerians and the entire BBNaija fans they don come out to come call Handi out. So this week for Big Brother house, e don become something of, how I go call am, roller coaster of emotions. Everything just dey happen. Housemates even lost their wager this week. Fans dey complain say the show this season, Big Brother, they no rate BBN fans anymore because this show this year, the thing no sweet to a lot of people. But wetin we go do? We go pick out the small small ones wey be say small small events wey be say happen for there and talk about am. So for Shaun and Wanni matter, dem dey play snooker for inside the house. Is it snooker be table tennis? Okay, table tennis for inside the house. I dey talk about Onyeka, Wanni and her sister Handi. Then wetin be im name? Mbadiwe too, one of them dey for the other side dey play snooker. So Shaun come waka come dey press Wanni Bobby for front of everybody for there. So her sister wey be say be Handi come see am, come use her head tell her say no no no, not do one like that, before she come respect herself comot from there. So more I remember to say when Chinwe and Zion come out of the house, two of them they actually claim to say Wanni and her wetin be name Shaun, they don't have sex so many times for inside the house. That one are norms for inside Big Brother house. But the thing wey be say I not support na the way Shaun not just dey show respect for this girl, just dey misbehave for front of everybody like that. Fans don't come out to come react to that thing wey be say two of them do, and according to fans, they believe to say the girl na she na dey more at a disadvantage because clearly the guy they play a game with her. So make we see some mixed reactions for this thing wey be say Shaun do, wey be say Handi call caution her sister. So the first person say the 10 reality show have suffered in this season. Any stupid thing your fave will do, you will see them commenting is a reality TV show. Who don't know it's a reality TV show, but what we should know is there's a life after the show and you have to protect your personality. Another person say Nzuzu. Shey na wetin Nigerians want na be this. Shey na all this type of thing na we dey call content for our side. We go see people wey be say get good talent, good handwork, good behavior, they very smart, they win tax. We not support those type of people. Once you be person wey be say you come for television, you dey press your bobby or they press your AKB, all of that, and that type na Nigerians they like vote for. Now come say abeg, which kind thing be this? This can never be content. Both of them lack self-respect. Me I dey talk and say because the way everybody dey always blame Wanni, fine, now she be the woman or she supposed respect herself more. But Shaun, that boy, I not just like that guy at all. The way they talk, the way they behave, he feels he knows everything about all the Big Brother seasons where BC don't start. No, 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 no. You need to learn to respect women. And that one say I'm not a fan of these girls, but I really like Handi. Yes, Handi na very calm-headed person from what I don't see so far. That girl gets sense way. Another one say very rubbish. If you talk now, faves go let you. Now you now want to listen to Big Brother Naija fans. Now anytime we say their fave they do something wrong, they always support them. That's just what it is. But then they know to say what that girl they do, it not make sense. And this thing where be say Wanni they do so now make people dey always insult she and her sister. For me, left for me, those girls they get good vibes from which I don't notice so far. But the way Wanni they misbehave for inside the house is just too much, and the thing they rub off on her sister Handi, which is not fair. So Ben matter with Handi they accuse Ben of sexually harassing her for inside the Big Brother house. When I remember I said something like this don't happen for several seasons, and Big Brother don't disqualify people. I talk about the likes of Kemen for the Sigobe season. That thing wey say Kemen do with T-Boss that time, and I also talk about for this Big Brother and Zanzi wey just finish, where be say particular housemate to talk certain things about sexual harassment and all of that. And now for this season now, Handi they accuse Ben of sexually harassing her. So Ben now can't go meet Big Brother, come tell Big Brother to say see wetin dey hear o, make Big Brother come address the issue, make dem play the clip, make him see when he take sexually harass the girl, because the thing don dey affect am for inside the house, because he even go for corner go dey cry some hours ago. And fans online they don dey vex, they talk say they wan know whether he really do am, because if he do am make dem know where they go take attack am, if he no do am make they penalize wetin be her name, Handi, for forcefully, for wrongfully accusing Ben for sexual harassment, because na big deal for this our country. Biggie come tell Ben to say okay, say make Ben calm down, say im go handle the issue, go address am later. I don't know wetin Biggie dey wait for, since how many days you never address this issue. The boy dey quiet in silence, you just dey tell am say make e wait, make e wait. Maybe Biggie go address am today wey be say be Sunday, because that be the only way wey be say we go take know whether Ben actually do wetin Handi dey accuse am of, or e no do am. Make una lis ten to wetin fans talk concerning this issue between Ben and Handi. Una take care, una bye.
Because you say, Handi, that joke was for you, you're not even laughing. Handi, like, her face did not even smile. And Handi, how Ben was trying to hug her after this thing, she was flinching. So she feels violated for her to be flinching. She feels violated. What do you mean?
So Kylie even posted where she spoke about it in the dining table, on the dining table, and also by the kitchen. So the first one was by the dining table. They spoke about it twice or three times. So this is a serious thing. You understand? So Biggie, I beg, we are done making assumptions. Bring out the footage. Queen V, you can speak.
Kylie, you're having issues with your network. Kylie, you're having issues with your network.
Don't let me drag you.
I'll be quick with this, but please just listen to me before you can come after me. But I think if we're going for a reality show, we should be aware that a lot of people, like, let me just say, the world is watching. You understand? So where I'm going to fault Handi here is before, if you want to accuse someone, if you were at home with like your family or your space, then you can accuse. But being that it's a reality show, I think as she woke up, before having that conversation that she was sexually harassed or assaulted, she would have gone, because I know very well that they do have a time where they can seek to speak to Biggie, even if it's not a diary section. She would have gone to report. But now, where she shot herself is, she has already said it in the public. So every one of us, like Nigerians, Ghanaians, we've all heard it. So now it's already too late to start doing I am not sure. You understand? So even if it was a case that maybe Ben did not do it on purpose, like maybe he just woke up and he mistakenly did it, if on a normal day, sexual harassment or sexual assault is